got this.
And a reverse. The flea flicker. Mayfield down the field. Wide open, and it's caught.
What was this play action pass? You in the back both fell down on?
Yeah.
That was the greatest ball faking I've ever seen. Is that by design too?
Yeah, stumble bomb. So Coach Ben Johnson ran it with the Lions.
Shut up. This is a real play?
This is a real play. I swear to you.
The offensive coordinator for the Panthers. Pickett, very good runner. Don't sleep on the slide.
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Pickett.
Boy, ain't no way,
Did
boy.
that work? Touchdown.
Oh my God!
Nope. Another one.